And we're talking about picture of perfection. We just said we got to try and get to perfection and be led towards perfection. At every step, we've noted that the need for managers to learn to see the value stream, to see the flow of value, to see the value being pulled by the customer. The final form of seeing is bringing perfection into clear views so the objective of improvement is visible and real to the whole enterprise. We've just presented an example of glassmaking, a radical rethink of the whole value stream so that the value-creating steps are conducted immediately, adjacent to the customer, and exactly when needed. No picture of perfection can be perfect. If the value stream for automotive glass could be reconfigured as we suggest, it would then be time, immediately, to imagine a new perfection, which goes even further. Perfection is like infinity. Trying to envision it is actually impossible, but the effort to do so provides inspiration and direction essential to making progress along the path. We'll return to this in part 3. One of the most important things to envision is the type of product designs and operating technologies needed to take the next steps along the path. As we have seen repeatedly in the preceding chapters, one of the greatest impediments to rapid progress is the inappropriateness of most existing processing technology, and many product designs as well, to the needs of the lean enterprise. A clear sense of direction, the knowledge that the products must be manufactured more flexibly in smaller volumes and continuous flow provides critical guidance to technologists in the functioning, developing generic designs and tools. All right, so again, we got to keep going towards perfection. We know that there is no such thing. It's, again, like it said, it's infinity, but we always have to challenge ourselves. Each time we do something, it is not a one-time thing. Every time we make an improvement, it's not a one-time thing, we're done. Okay? We got to come back to it. There's other things we work on, but it can come back. It's a plan, do, check, act, and come back to it. All right, we got to make sure we're doing that for all the improvements we're doing.